Once upon a time, in a small village by a great forest, lived a furry boy named Lucas. He loved exploring the forest, listening to birds sing, and watching the leaves dance in the wind. But today, his adventure will lead him to something extraordinary. Be careful, Lucas, and stay away from danger.
I will, Mom. I'm just going for a walk in the forest, like always.
Today's walk will take Lucas to a place he had never seen before. A place where wishes come true if the forest survives. As Lucas walked deeper into the forest, he stumbled upon a well. It sparkled with an enchanting glow, drawing him closer.
This one looks magical. Well, maybe I should make a wish.
Hello, Lucas.
Who are you? How did you emerge from the water?
We are the guardians of the enchanted well. I'm Ocean. I'm Rigo. And I'm Lake. This well grants wishes, but we are in great danger, Lucas. And without your help, no more wishes can be granted. The fire creature is burning the forest down, and we need your help. And your friend here is too weak to stop it.
Who is the fire creature? What can I do to help? I will do anything to save the forest.
The fire creature is one of the four elements of the forest. We will tell you the whole story.